In this video, we're going to try Smith's new taste icons, and this one is the Subway Chicken Teriyaki Sub. Let's bust these open and give them a taste. This is what they look like, crinkle cut chips. Cheers. So these chips are really subtle in flavour. They have a nice saltiness about them. They have a slight little bit of sweetness, and they taste like basically just onion. I don't understand at all how that's chicken teriyaki, because there's no chicken flavour in this at all, really. The flavour enhancer, maybe that's trying to be like a chicken flavour. So my rating for Subway Chicken Teriyaki Sub, I'll give them a 6 out of 10. They're kind of bland, kind of average.